Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 pickup that's GM factory certified. On the exterior, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, forward collision alert system, and front pedestrian braking system. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, power sliding rear window, and push-to-start technology. The 8-inch color display is preloaded with navigation, and it has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2021 GMC Sierra has less than 15,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.